Welcome back to the channel, good friends. I'm Brian. Today we want to clean one of the auction cars, freshen up the interior a little bit, and I picked up some of the car candy products that some have requested that I review and share my experience with. So today I have the Car Candy Interior Magic All-Purpose Wheel Cleaner, and this cleaner says that it can clean anything from fabric, upholstery, carpeting, to plastic, leather, vinyl. That pretty much covers all the surfaces for the interior, so let's freshen up this auction car. The interior covers multiple different types of material. Kind of golf ball texture here with lots of dirt and staining. Same thing with the fabric on the armrest. We have textured plastic down here. We have a dirty dash. Some adhesive up there from something sticking to it. We'll see if we can clean that up. Center console area is filthy as well. Carpeting needs some help. The seats do as well. And we will also freshen up the floor mats in addition. Simple interior cleaning today. We'll use the Car Candy Interior Magic teamed up with detailing brushes, the P&S scrubber, or Sidekick, some microfibers. The first thing I like to do is get forced air, an air chuck, hooked up to a compressor and blow all of the loose bits down onto the carpet where we can vac that out of there and just get the grittiness out of the way first. With the grittiness out of here and vacked out, we could start from top to bottom. And for that, I just like to spray onto the scrubber here, the Sidekick. Get it primed up. Look at the A-pillars. These get, I don't know, they get caked up with cigarette smoke. Sometimes when the mechanics come in here to put their inspection stickers, here in PA we need inspection stickers. One big scam. However, they get in there with their greasy hands, and this A-pillar on the inside, whether it's the hard textured plastic or upholstery, can really get messed up. And now we work our way down to the dash. I like this. It doesn't take a lot to lather up the surface. I just sprayed a little bit into this scrubber here, and that was enough for half of this side of the dash anyway. And the good news is it is removing the adhesive from whatever that sticker was. Thank goodness. When you have heavily textured plastic, like what's on this dash, And with the fibers on the sidekick, just working in circular motions, works those fibers within the valley of the textured plastic. Does a great job, really teaming up with any cleaner. And then we'll just take a microfiber and mop up. All right, we'll work on this surface right here. I'll use a combination of the scrubber and a detailing brush. Yeah, that'll work perfectly well. You can spray directly onto the plastic as well, as long as you don't let it dwell too long. Then you won't have the run marks going down the dash. Spray directly into the detailing brush. Get in those corners. Hard to reach areas. The vents. And then we'll mop up with a microfiber. So far so good, and I'm told it has a pleasant fragrance to it. This one was a bit crusty, not crazy dirty, but I'm very happy with the results so far. Let's continue on. So your dilution ratios for the Car Candy Interior Magic are going to be anywhere from 10 to 20 to 1 for maintenance cleanings, and then 1 to 1 to 10 to 1 for moderate, and then straight up use right out of the bottle, just like I'm using it for dirt that's been there for a long time, and you really need something to break it down first before agitating and wiping it off. So this here is what was pulled from the steering wheel and steering wheel column alone, around the turn signal switch and the ignition switch. So this is going to be great for the gear shifter, handbrake, center console. So this does have the power to break down some body oils, greases. So far so good. Now we have some fabric here, the armrest. just a detailing brush. Wipe it dry. Much better. Good job. Well, what about we team the interior magic up with the UFO pads for fabric? I'm going to mist the product onto the fabric, let it soak a little bit, let it soak a little bit, let it break down some of those body oils, and well, whatever else. Fantastic. And finally, the mats. When they're like this, I'll hit them with the cleaner, let it break down as much as it can, rinse it. Then I'll hit it with the cleaner again and agitate. Scrub it with a brush. That works the best for me. I let that soak in for a little while, rinse it, and repeat. All right, so my overall assessment, it does well. It does very well with plastics. It cleans them up very well. Any type of trim, any type of hard surface. It was really nasty on the side of these seats. It did okay on the upholstery. It removed body oils and the topical contaminants rather quickly, especially teamed up with the UFO pad. However, it struggled with the deeper stains, and that's not to say that it wouldn't struggle with deeper stains using other products, because you can work on fabric and fibers within fabric seats, cloth seats, and get them clean. Like if you're using an extractor, for example, you can get it that the water coming from the extractor is clean, but the fibers are permanently dyed and stained from whatever soaked into them and spilled into them. So I just wanted to leave that there. But I think that the Car Candy interior cleaner did a fantastic job. Let me know down in the comments section what you think. It did a great job freshening up a vehicle. This vehicle has really high mileage. It's over 20 years old, and I think that looks great. All right, that's going to do it for this video. We have this thing freshened up a little bit. I guess it smells a little bit better. I know it looks better for sure. And that will do it for the Car Candy Interior Magic for all surfaces. You can use it to clean cloth and carpeting and floor mats and plastic and any hard surface on the interior of your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or RV. I'll put a link down below if you want to look into it further. The Car Candy Interior Magic. That will do it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to spend a couple minutes out of the day with you, just about every day except for Mondays. Sometimes I take off. If these videos help, thumbs up, subscribe. If you're not a part of the family, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell. And also, if you think these videos are educational in any way or at least entertaining, share them. Share them with forums and groups and wherever you think it can help the channel grow. If the channel grows, so can the content. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.